How to operate the OIRAD GPR. Connect the USB dongle to phone or tablet. Power on the main unit. Open the app. And then click survey. Click time window toggle to set to 100 nanoseconds. Click survey parameter toggle. At material dielectric, select the desired values. So let's say wet clay. And then slide the hardware gain to fully maximum. So this one to fully maximum. This is the hardware gain. And then we have 5 zones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So leave it at times 1.0 for all the 5 zones. That should be the software gain times 1.0. And then click record. Select operator. And then type any name for the file. So let's say site 1. And then click next. So you can leave the location blank. Done. And then start. Click start to start the survey. So after the survey, you can stop scanning by pressing the survey. So that's the how to operate the OIRAD GPR. How to open the file. Click the app. Select open file. And then 2D survey files. Search for the site 1. And then click open. So that's the how to open the file. How to add customized dielectric constant. Go to settings. Select manage material dielectric. Type in any material name. Let's say site 1 DE. DE stands for dielectric. Next. And then type in dielectric value. Let's say 20. Next. And then click add. And then lastly, click save.